If you're paying $20, $60, or more each month for automation tools, stop. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to run N8N locally on your own machine, unlimited workflows, no limits, zero fees, using Docker. You'll get more and more privacy and total control. Let's do this. Get started. The first thing we need is Docker. Open Google, type Docker, and click the first official result, docker.com. From there, download Docker Desktop for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the download finishes, open the installer and follow the prompts. Click OK or Next when asked and let the installation run until it's complete. That's it. Docker is now ready to launch. Once the installation is done, search for Docker in your system and launch it. Docker might ask you to register an account. Totally optional. You can skip it and go straight in. Now you'll see the main Docker dashboard with sections for containers, images, and volumes. Let's go to the search bar, type N8N, and find the image called N8N/N8N from N8N.io. That's the one we want. Click Pull to download the latest version. It'll only take a few seconds. When it's done, open your Images tab, find the N8N image, and click Run. For the port, set it to 5678. That's the default port N8N uses, and run the image to create your container. Once the container is up, click the port link to launch N8N in your browser. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to set up your account. Just enter your email, first and last name, and choose a password. This will be your local N8N login. You can skip the customization steps for now. If you want, you can later enter a license key sent to your email to unlock certain features, but the free version already gives you a lot to work with. Now you're on the main N8N dashboard. You can start from scratch or try a quick example. For inspiration, open the N8N templates list, pick one you like, and import it straight into your locally hosted setup. Here's a simple workflow running already, and it's 100% local, private, and free. And that's it. You've just installed and launched N8N locally using Docker.